What did we just get?
We got the 12 celebrated Disney shorts together for the first time. And in this is Frozen Fever, Feast, Get a Horse, Paperman, Tangled Ever After, The Ballad of Nessie, Prep and Landing, Operation Secret Santa, TikTok Tale, How to Hook Up Your Home Theater, The Little Mismatch Girl, Lorenzo.
A lot, in other words.
And also, it has Frozen Fever that you can only see when you watch a certain movie.
Cool.
I forget which one.
And we got a new dishwasher.
It's a big box.
Because we haven't had a dishwasher in like 2.5 weeks, and it's been a big issue.
Yeah.
So we have an LG dishwasher that we're gonna install. Don't touch those toys, girl. Don't touch those.
It's pink and blue.
I'm gonna put it back. Thank you.
And
here's my horrific desk in case
she's gonna make the cloud pet work.
Yes, we'll do the cloud pet
she always
today.
goes away, and cloud pets are like a message you can hug. And so we got the bunny one because I love bunnies. And
yes.
So she always goes away, and we can send her a message, and she can send us a message.
Yes, these are all the things that I have to review.
And what about the fish tank? We haven't done that
yet. Yes, we'll do that today too. This is what no iPad, no Xbox, no TV looks like. Utter depression. Even the dog is depressed. Even the dog is depressed. How are we going to survive a whole month? No chocolate.
Please. That happened to me, but it wasn't TV also. We used to watch TV all the time when we got.
So your back hurts?
Yeah.
It's time to go to the doctor.
No.
This is some video. Now we might as well get Booger Boy. What are you crying about? Thank you for wiping your boogers on me. What are you crying about? Chocolate? You want chocolate? But we're gonna have dinner.
No.
No. You want chocolate? No.
Yes.
You have to wait. You have to wait for your chocolate.
No.
Yes.
No.
We all gonna wait.
No.
You have to eat real food first.
No.
You pooped yourself out. You pooped yourself out.
No.
You don't want chocolate.
Chocolate.
You want chicken.
Not chocolate.
Chicken and rice.
No chicken. No chicken. No. No.
Barbecue chicken. Rice. And a snotty nosed baby.
Put some chicken in his mouth. Some ketchup. No. Ketchup.
Baby wants ketchup.
Daddy, Kenzie has a lot of chicken.
Is it good?
Is it yum? How does it taste? How does it taste?
Good?
Yeah.